Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Man, I feel rusty. We haven't done one of these videos in a while. Almost 2 months. We're here in Leadville, Colorado for this year's edition of the Leadville 100.
Appreciate that. Where'd you make that?
So for me, growing up in Colorado, Leadville has always been a race I've known about since I started mountain bike racing 20 plus years ago. It's just kind of one of those races that if you race a mountain bike in Colorado, ride a bike in Colorado, you know about it. I have a lot of memories in kind of this whole valley, the Arkansas River Valley. My family grew up coming up here to camp quite a bit, and I distinctly remember one year we were camping up at Twin Lakes and seeing the race going on, and I had no idea what it was until many years later I found out it was Leadville, and kind of always had an interest in racing it, but didn't do so until 2021. And I remember starting my first Leadville. It was definitely like a really intimidating feat. Obviously there's a lot of challenges to overcome racing up here. You've got the altitude, the amount of climbing, and it's definitely not the most technical course, but it's still, there's a lot of features out there that you can end your day pretty easily on, whether that's ripping the descent down power line. There's some really big ruts, lots of baby head rocks all over the place. So it's one of those races that you finish it and you feel quite accomplished for what you got done during the day. All right, so we're 2 days out from Leadville. Today I'm riding from our house in Twin Lakes. I'm gonna check out the rest of the course from here. It's roughly 40 miles of the course. I'll see all the new stuff. Then we're gonna finish at the Expo, go hang out with Kinetic, do a little Q&A talking Leadville nutrition. From there I'll go to Continental, hang out for a little bit, and then it's back to the house, put the legs up and start resting for the big day on Saturday.
What's up, gangsta? What? Said what's up, gangsta? Can't hear you. I just said what's up. Oh. Gas prices. The shot? You're in the shot. Oh shit! Yeah! Treat this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine tonight. Don't let him get away.
Hey, e-bike turn around here. What the heck? Who was that flew past us?
That was Russell Finsterwald.
Okay.
You ever heard of him?
Maybe.
Would have been funnier if you said no. Yeah. Are you guys excited?
Hell yeah. Huh.
Yeah. You done this before?
Yeah. 5 times.
5 times?
How about you?
I did it once.
Yeah, okay.
What do you guys think of the new course?
No complaints, right? It's beautiful out here.
Yeah.
I like the old course, but...
Might get it done a little faster this year, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. Good Saturday on the bike, doesn't really matter what the course is. Huh?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, power line kind of the signature of the event, you know?
Yeah.
One of the signatures, so...
Yeah.
For people that haven't done it before, I feel a little sorry for them.
But I'll probably let you guys go.
Oh yeah. All right.
Have a good rest of your ride. Good luck on Saturday. Ow!
This year will be my 6th Leadville, and this is perhaps one of the most exciting ones because we have a new course to race. Unfortunately, there's been some fires burning close by, which means we've had to take out the Sugarloaf and Powerline climbs. Those are 2 iconic pieces of the Leadville course, but in a way I'm excited to see how this changes up the racing. I think having a lot less climbing is going to make it a more tactical, a lot more dynamic race. Certainly going to be faster. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a time just under sub 5. I think with Keegan and Quinn both here, those two are definitely going to be looking to go at each other's throats, and it's going to be crazy fast out there on Saturday.
Dude, what do you think I can sell this thing for on the black market? You want to sniff?
All right, so what's the plan here?
We're gonna go make some Expo rounds.
Hey, how's it?
Not bad. You ready?
Think so.
I'll find out.
Right over here.
Don't need bottles. I'm just dropping Ritos off. Yeah. Can I leave them with you? Which pizza are you going to?
I'll go wherever Meredith tells me to go.
Oh, okay.
Good looking road, Russell.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up, dude? How you doing?
Not too bad. How are you guys? How's it going?
Good. See ya. We'll mount up the bar mount system. Yeah. Right. What side do you want it on, right or left? What are you feeling?
Let's go left because that shifter is pretty heavy, so we want to balance the weight out, you know?
Good idea. Good idea. And then you spin it open because this flops right out. And then
wow.
you just adjust like that and it's locked in.
And then stab her.
Stab her right in.
Nice. Then the last one, like the pear one?
Yeah.
I honestly think the pear one you can't tell.
Well, the golden pear is the same base, so it's,
Oh,
that's the evolution.
Gotcha. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, it's
like-
nice and light.
Yeah, but still like kind of sweet, like sweeter than the other gels, I would say, but still like light flavor.
Exactly.
Nice. Getting all that new, dude. Watermelon.
How you doing? How are you? Good.
So good to see you.
We're stamping t-shirts here. You want one?
Heck yeah.
Which one are we doing? You want a Carby Girl? I got. This is a new one.
I mean,
Hold on.
maybe I could just eat it.
This is another biggie. Girl dinner. Nice. Got it? We'll do this. Put me to use. There he is. Perfect.
Dude, run the big guy tomorrow.
Huh?
Run that big dog
The
tomorrow.
Magnetol?
Yeah.
I think Jeanette put it in Brendan's contract. That's what he has to run at Leadville. The 2.6.
Yeah, the plus size.
How are you feeling about Quinn?
I think it's going to change the race for sure. I mean, he's like, all things aside, he's like an animal on a bike, so.
Yeah, but is Tour de France make his legs more tired, or is he like conditioning? He's had what, 2 weeks off?
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks off.
Yeah, I mean, in the tour, like, he didn't seem to get tired.
Yeah.
Like, he was in the break every day.
Yeah. This is a mountain bike race.
Is it a mountain bike race? We're on mountain.
Also cut that part out.
We're on mountain bikes.
Yes, you are on mountain bikes.
How'd you score this Airbnb?
Lots of money.
Worth it though.
Like, we could have stayed in Leadville for the same price, but it would have been like a small 2-bedroom house that looked like really run down. So we'll just go ball it up down in Twin Lakes.
Dude, can we play a game?
Let's play a game.
All right, we're gonna play hide the nut. Here's the nut. You gotta put it under the caps.
Do you get to see what cap I put it under? Or?
Yeah. This is for everybody to play.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. So we're putting it in the middle.
Okay, it's in the middle. All right, go ahead. I already fucking lost it, dude.
Where's it at? Nope. Nope. Oh! Third time's the charm.
Dude, hopefully you're that lucky tomorrow.
Dude, I want to find the nut early.
This race is kind of fun because there's a lot of little different tinkering you can do with the bike to get it set up for Leadville. I think the big thing is you're trying to make your bike as light as possible. So a few of my key changes are I'm running Shimano XTR dual piston brakes as opposed to the 4-piston brakes. Got a Fox 32 up front. The bike I'm running is built around a 120 travel. The Fox 32 is 100 mil travel, so to get the GO corrected, you got to do a crown race riser. So a lot of little different tinkering pieces to make the bike ready for the weekend. Aid 1, already made that bottle.
Do you feel like you've gotten better at math since becoming a gravel racer?
No. I've become better at spreadsheets, dude. Like, I got my whole life planned out on a spreadsheet. Getting close to using the whole tube, dude.
For what?
That's what I strapped the gels to the bottles with.
Oh, like a rubber band, kinda.
Uh-huh. Millimeter by millimeter, we're eating through it. All right. Bottles made, recovery made. Time to eat some more carbs. Life and sugar, it's fantastic. Let's go carby, let's go carby.
This spot doesn't suck.
No, dude. Wow, it's really far away.
I don't know. How long do you think you can keep it in the air for?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Nope.
Rainstorm over there. That's crazy. You can see where the rain stops.
You won't put goggles on. Oh, you can watch it if you want. It's kind of hard to fly that way.
How do I make it go forward? We're gonna lose a finger.
Right stick.
Right stick.
Forward and back, yeah.
Okay. Jeez.
Oh, there you go. You do the tricks.
Dude, it did tricks.
I meant to do that. All right, you gotta try it now.
You want to pitch forward? Now you can yaw to the right. It's on there.
Downtime. Oh, nice.
Dang.
That's insane. Did you see that? Dude, you
Did a barrel roll.
Crazy. Man, standing headroom?
Yeah.
That's insane.
Wow. And then this like pulls out to here, and it's a full king size bed.
That's like a pretty massive fridge.
Yeah, you can fit a lot of shit in there.
So are both you guys sleeping in this next week?
If Russell's lucky.
It looked like a version of this, but it was like press button.
Yeah,
Pull down.
there's some pretty Gucci setups.
Yeah.
Russell likes to run it bare bones, you know?
Yeah, just like as basic as it gets. See you in the morning.
Getting a head start, heading up to Leadville tonight, just so I can sleep a little longer, be a little more chill in the morning. Gonna wake up at 4 a.m., eat breakfast, get on the bike around 5, get a little warm up in, start at 6. It's a brutally early morning.
Gonna be chilly too.
It's gonna be a little cold too. It's cold right now. Carrie's all bundled up like a little Eskimo over here. This is kind of dangerous in road shoes. What do you think the move is? Arm warmers and vests to start?
Yeah, dude, you can chuck those pretty easy. I'm such a bitch in the cold.
Dude, I'm going shoe covers too. True. Alright, I'm gonna go spin.
Alright.
See ya.
Good luck, hombre.
Thanks.
Who's it gonna be, Keegan or Quinn?
Keegan. I voted Keegan. I think it's Keegan though.
That was pretty fast, huh?
Yes. Nah. Just wait till I come down, man.
Are we having fun yet? Tell me, are we done yet? Tired of being cautious, cutting all my losses. You make me nauseous, yeah. Am I a regret yet? I thought you were my best bet. Was it worth what it costed? I am exhausted. You make me nauseous, yeah. You're overrated. Nothing else left to say.
I feel like a new man. Ready for another lap.
I really meant that.
Some.
Man, this cornbread looks proper.
Passes the test.
I like how it's crispy. I'm a certified forklift operator.
Are you actually?
No. All right, another Leadville in the books. Another 5 years off my life, it feels. Today, yeah, it was new course, fast from the start. But yeah, fun day out there. I kind of had a bit of a tumble going into St. Kevin's, which wasn't the best way to kick off the race. There were a lot of puddles from last night's rain, so a lot of like swerving in the peloton and stuff, and just clipped bars with another rider. No one's fault really, just racing incident, and took a little soil sample. So yeah, going into St. Kevin's kind of dead last wasn't a good way to start the day, but luckily, or not so much luckily, but Matt Beers also had a bit of a mechanical, so linked up with him and we just kind of chased for a while and actually made it back to the front group, which was cool. We were 2 minutes down at one point, so kind of thought chances of seeing the front of the race were gone, but made it back right around the first aid station. And I'm out of breath now because this hill's hard. From there, just kind of chilled in the group for a while. There was a moment it lulled, so tried to kind of send it off the front a little bit to get a gap going into Columbine. Didn't work. And then we got to Columbine, just kind of rode my own pace there, and had a good group home, and yeah, dropped them in the end, squeezed in the top 20.
Dude, you guys know you had an over 21 mile an hour average coming into, well, I mean, basically coming into Columbine?
Yeah, I don't doubt it. It was fast.
There for a while, we thought you were going sub 5.
Yeah, it was a pretty stiff headwind coming home, so I was grateful to have that group to work with. Because I was a hurting unit at times out there.
So how many Leadvilles is this?
Number 6.
Is this, are you satisfied yet?
Well, I've always wanted to go sub 6 at Leadville. That's kind of been a goal in the back of my mind, and it may have taken them shortening the course, taking out a couple climbs, but I did it. So yeah, I don't know, we'll have to see. No, I like Leadville, so I guarantee I'll be back. Got to get that number 10, join the 1,000 Mile Club.
Ugh, sounded horrible.
Four more to go.
What's next?
Well, we just got some barbecue, feeling refueled. We're gonna drive over to St. Elmo, and Carrie and I got some plans for some throttle therapy tomorrow. Vapor Trail's a race I'm doing in September, so we're gonna go get some eyes on the course, ride the motos, kind of get a feel for what it's all about, and yeah, just have another fun day up in the Colorado high country.
Yeah, I can't wait.